North Tustin, Tustin, Tustin Legacy, and Tustin Ranch communities are the rare gems of Orange County. Long on diversity, rich in history, this wonderful city is embossed with an architectural nuance that dates back to 19th century, when land barons once owned and farmed the large orange groves that ruled the landscape. Tustin began to take shape in the 1960s, with the development of sprawling single-level ranch-style homes, many on 1/2 acre or more. As development progressed, soon the hills and tree-lined streets of North Tustin were dotted with estate homes, many of which have views all the way to Catalina Island, some 25 miles off the coast. The North Tustin area is comprised of Lemon Heights, Cowan Heights, Barrett Hill, and the Panorama Heights areas. In the late 1980s, Tustin Ranch began to emerge as one of the newest communities in Orange County. With its community parks, top-rated schools, and a golf course ranked among the best public courses in Orange County, Tustin Ranch also offers a variety of homes from condos to large estates and outdoor enjoyment. And it is centrally located near access to the freeways and toll roads. While much of Southern California continues to go trendy, Tustin has worked hard to maintain its rich heritage, seen most apparently in the Old Town, where estates and farmers' markets coexist, recreating the charm of a bygone era. Situated nearly in the center of Orange County, the residential communities of North Tustin, Tustin, Tustin Legacy, and Tustin Ranch offer commuters easy access south or north to the plentiful job market that keeps Orange County residents secure in employment opportunities. The retail options in Tustin Ranch and the district are limitless. From movie theaters to chains that include Target, Home Depot, Best Buy, Costco, and Whole Foods are represented. For those that like to dine out, charming restaurants like Rutabagore's or the neighborhood California Pizza Kitchen and the authentic Irish Pub, the communities of North Tustin, Tustin, Tustin Legacy, and Tustin Ranch truly offer it all. Location, unique architecture, local amenities, top-notch schools, and ties to a bygone era make the communities of Tustin one of the most desirable in Orange County.